How to share videos from Filmmaker Pro to YouTube. First of all, open the app on your device and load the project you want to share. Next, make sure your video is fully edited, including trimming, adding music, effects, transitions, text, and stickers. Review your video to ensure everything looks perfect. Once ready, tap on the export button usually located on the left side with a download icon. In the export settings, choose your preferred resolution and quality. Higher resolution like 1080p or 4K provide better quality for YouTube, while lower resolution save space on your device. After exporting, look for the share option and select YouTube from the list of available platforms. You will be prompted to log into your YouTube account if you haven't already. Add a title, description, tags, and select your privacy settings, public, unlisted, or private before uploading. Finally, tap Upload and Filmmaker Pro will share your video directly to your YouTube channel. Now you know how to share videos from Filmmaker Pro to YouTube. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.